Hi friends, our today's topic is how to make vegetable gardening at home. Good health requires that you eat nutritious food such as green vegetables. These vegetables consist of the minerals which helps in keeping our body healthy. All kinds of vegetables are available in the market nowadays, but it's not a necessary that it may be a fresh and green vegetables. Housewife can grow some favorite vegetables at home in the garden. We can plant tomato, chili, green coriander, etc. I give you some tips related to kitchen gardening, which is very beneficial for you. So let's start. So first is do a plantation in a proper sunlight. Most of vegetable need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per a day. The more sunlight they receive, the greater the harvest. The higher the wages and the better the taste. Second is plant in a good soil. Penetrate plants roots in a soft soil, enrich your soil with the compost which provides the nutrients for proper drainage. Ensure that water neither collects on the top or drains away quickly. Third is plant in a stable environment. Don't plant in a place that prone to flooding due to heavy rains or in a place that tends to dry out a lot. Also don't plant in a place where strong winds knock over your young plants or keep pollinators away from doing their job. Plant in a location which having a suitable environment for your plants. So now we are talking about the how to grow the best vegetables. In addition to choosing the right location, here are the few tips that will be help you in growing a best vegetables yet. So first is space your crops properly. For example, corn needs a lots of space and can overshadow shrubber. Vegetables plants set too close together can compete for sunlight, water and nutrition and fail to grow. Pay attention to the spacing guidance on speed seeds, packets and plant stabs. Another one is high quality seeds. Seeds packets are less expensive than individual plants. But if seeds don't germinate, then your money and time both are wasted. A few extra cents spent in the spring for that your seeds will be pay off in a higher yield at harvest time. Third one is water properly. Watering your plants properly, neither too much nor too little. Watering will be give a plants the best chance to produce in a well formed with the complete growth. Fourth one is plant and harvest at the right time. Don't plant too early or too late. Every vegetable has its own planting duration, so be sure and check the seeds packet. Follow a gardening calendar which is customized to your local fast dates. So follow all these gardening tips which helps you in planting at your home. Thank you.
If you like our video, don't forget to click it and share it via Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and other social media platform or site. Also to subscribe us to receive our new videos regularly. Don't forget to click bell icon to receive updates. We will keep posting 3 to 4 videos once a week regularly.